Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about earning an amount of $100 a day by testing websites. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Make money during your free time. There are many fun and interesting ways to make money in your spare time. You can get money from these sites if you take online surveys and test websites and apps. So one would ask, why do they give money to you? Before putting out a project, many companies test it with a group of professionals and get their feedback in exchange for a small amount of money. If the reviews are good, they move forward with the project. If they are not, they either throw it away or change it. You can be the one to write that review and get paid for it. You must be wondering if they will be hurt by giving money to everyone who writes a review. No, they are not. Because when they launch their products, they save a lot of money by not spending too much on these platforms. When you use these sites, there are a few things you should keep in mind. Don't give out personal information and don't let other people take the survey. Because these tests are based on ideas that aren't made public. You could get in trouble if you talk about these ideas. First on the list is user testing. When you think of these sites, user testing is the first one that comes to mind. It is a very simple site to use and you can use it anywhere in the world where you can get paid through PayPal. You will have to take a sample test first. If you do well on that test, you will have to take more tests. For a 20-minute test, you can earn up to $10 to $15. 2. Enroll. Enroll is a platform like user testing, but it's better because you can take tests on any device anywhere. Remember that you need a PayPal account in order to get money. Many of the tests on Enroll are quick and can be done in a few minutes, so it means that they won't help you get a lot of money, but they can give you a few bucks. 3. Respondents. Without a doubt, Respondent is the best and highest paying site on this list. So the test will be harder and the rewards will be higher. To put it simply, you can make as much as $100 in just 1 hour. There are a lot of other jobs like paid focus group on Respondents. Click on it to find out more about them. 4. User fee. This site is a lot like the others. To join and start making money, you have to pass a test. Each test costs $10. Also, you can withdraw money faster than on other sites, which makes it the fastest way to send money. Userlytics is different from the other sites mentioned because it lets you test the website and other digital products. Remember that you will need a webcam a lot for tests on the site. After you make a profile and pass the first test, you will get emails about opportunities to take tests. To sum up, I will say that the sites listed here are just the tip of the iceberg. There are many other sites where you can get paid to try out different products. So, if you can't use any of the sites mentioned, you can try UTest or Test.io. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't also forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.